Caesar salad, it's famous and so tasty. People everywhere love it. Why? Because it's simple, fresh, and oh so delicious. Want to make one like a real pro? Follow me. This isn't just any salad, it's got history. Created by a chef named Caesar Cardini. He used simple ingredients to make something spectacular. Ready to give it a go? Let's get started. First things first, round up these ingredients. There are salad superheroes. For the salad, cause lettuce. Nice and crunchy. Parmesan cheese. Get ready to grate. Croutons. We'll make them from scratch. For the dressing garlic, just 1 clove. Dijon mustard, a dollop of flavor. Lemon juice, fresh is best. Olive oil, the good stuff, salt and pepper to taste. The dressing is where the wonder happens. Don't worry, it's easy. 1. Grab a bowl, big enough to mix. 2. Crush that garlic clove. Smell that? 3. Add a spoonful of Dijon mustard. Tangy. 4. Squeeze in some lemon juice. Zesty. 5. Pour in the olive oil slowly, whisking all the time. 6. Season with salt and pepper. Taste as you go. 7. That's it, our dressing is done. Croutons are our crunchy friends. Let's make them. 1. Cut some bread into cubes. Any bread will do. 2. Drizzle with olive oil and a pinch of salt. Mix it up. 3. Pop them on a baking tray. Spread them out. 4. Bake until golden brown. Keep an eye on them, see? Easy peasy. Now let's build our Caesar salad.